Hi, I'm John Mikey Magtangob and this is my journey of understanding myself. I see myself as a work in progress. I am someone who values growth, learning, and meaningful relationships. I enjoy discovering new ideas and pushing myself to become better each day. Emotionally, I care deeply and try to stay grounded. Cognitively, I am curious and always willing to learn. And morally, I believe in respect, honesty, and doing what is right. Digitally, I use technology to connect, create, and express myself. And through challenges, I remain resilient. I don't give up easily. In real life, I am more reserved and observant, but online, I express myself more freely. This made me realize the importance of being authentic in both spaces. Understanding myself is a continuous journey. I am still learning, still growing, and becoming the best version of who I am.